with the cost of living. I'm doing 500 grams of mince here, butcher's choice there. I'm adding Italian tomatoes. These ones are quite a good price, and I'm adding lovely bit of tomato concentrate. Then I'll be getting out the freezer frozen veg. It's got some peas, carrots and sweet corn. Don't know about the beans, but that's the one I've got, and I'll be adding that. And to follow, I'll be having these Cake Shop fresh lemon muffins. Oh yeah. I'll be adding a good bit of garlic to this. Just pour a bit in there, a good amount, give it nice garlic flavour. Add in my chopped tomatoes, cooked Italia. When I need to add some more water, I'll give that, because I'll be adding the concentrated tomatoes here, Italian again. I need to spoon them out. So I put the concentrate in a tin, added some water, gave it a good stir, and goes the concentrate. If you want, you can add another tin tomatoes to this. Once I've stirred it and got it all soaked in for a while, I will add the frozen veg. And I will be having that with creamy mash. Yeah, just added the vegetables after about half an hour. And then this will be another 10 minutes. While I wait, I'm going to have a strawberry and lime. That is what I've done. And there's loads left. There's quite a lot left there, so looking forward to tucking in. I'll add some black pepper first. Nice.